let us see about the continuation of last class. In last class we saw how to use save as option and info. What does this info option is used in Word application. In today's class we will be handling about the next topic. So I am opening the file here which is already created. That is already created. Now let us see the next option, that is about printing. Like we can print our application, like whatever the application has been, whatever we have created in that application, those can be printed by using this print option. Here you have different types of settings, like however you want to print your document, you can accordingly, like how you want your document to be printed, exactly the same way you can make the settings of print and you can take the print of that particular thing, that is you can take the hard copy. Let us see how to make the how to work with this print option. So here you can see I have created something, like I have created some document here, like I'll show you how to print this one. So to print this one, first click upon the file tab. So as soon as you click upon the file tab, this is the backstage view which gets view. So here go for the print option and click upon the print. So as soon as you click here, you can see the print area. Like this is the view of the print which you are going to take. Like hard copy will be exactly the same way as this looks. So here is the print option. So how much copies you want, you can select the number of copies here up to your need. Like I am setting 1. Then type of printer. If you have more than one printer, you can select the printer type here. If you want to, or if you don't have any printer, if you want to take it later, then you can save it in the OneDrive also. Like I am putting it in the desktop to OneDrive. Then we have settings, like print settings can be made here. So let us do the settings. Go for print settings. Here you have different types of settings, like how you want your page to be printed. Those settings can be made by using this. You can print all pages or either print current page, that is whichever you have selected. If there is more than one page, then you have custom page, like which specific pages you want, you can select that specific page or region. Then we have document info, list of markup and styles. Here we have different types of options, like print only odd numbers. If you want only odd numbers to be printed, then select this one. Then we have print only even pages. You can select the even pages to be printed. So I am selecting print all pages here. After that, then it is asking print pages. Like if you select custom pages, then you can set the pages from which page to which page you want. Then print one side. Here you have different types of options, like if there is one side, you can print one side. Either you can print on the front side of your pages, or also you can include back side of your pages to be also printed. Then here you have manually print on both sides. If you want front and back, you can select this manually print both sides. If you want to collate your pages, like here you have different types of options. It will be collated. Then uncollate you have. Then normal margins. Then you have portrait options, like how you want your document to be. Now I am selecting landscape. You can see it has been changed to landscape. Like I am selecting the portrait because I want it on the portrait. How you want your page orientation to be, select that type of orientation. Then we have page size. Like here different types of pages we use while printing. There is not only A4 sheets we use for printing, we use different types of sheets also. Like accordingly you can select it also. Here we have letter, tabloid, legal, executive, A3, A4, B4, B5, envelope Ashton, envelope Monarch, and then we have more paper sizes also. If you want more either than this, you can select those things also. I am selecting A4 as I want A4 sheet. I am using A4 sheets to print, so I am selecting the A4. Then normal margins. Here how you want your margins, like if you want normal, select normal, or if you want narrow, you can select it narrow, or you can select moderate. Here you can see the preview also. Wide, you can see it wider. Then mirrored, it will be mirrored. Then mirrored margins. Then Office 2003 you have. These are the options available. I am selecting the normal, so it will be normal. Whichever type of settings you want, you can make it out of it. So here is one page per sheet, like how you want your pages to be printed. If you want one page, like this page only, this page to be printed in the A4 sheet, then you can select one, either two. If you want two pages, like first page and second pages to be printed on the same one sheet, then select two pages. If you want more than that, you have 4 pages per sheet. That is 4 pages will be printed together in one sheet. Then we have 6 pages per sheet. That is 6 pages. That is from 1 to 6 pages will be printed in one sheet. Then we have 8 pages per sheet. That is 8 pages will be printed in one sheet. Then we have 16 pages per sheet. You can select 16 pages also, or scale the paper size. You can scale your paper sizes also. Using these steps, you can print your document and make the settings like how you want your settings to be, like that you can make it. I'm giving one page per sheet. Like after making this, here you can see how many pages are there also, like your document consists of how many pages also you can see. Then you can zoom it also, like how you want, you can zoom it also. Here you can see the zooming thing also, like how you want, you can zoom and you can see the preview of it. So after that, after connecting your printer to this, if you have connected it, then click on print. So as soon as you click upon print, your hard copy will be ready. So using these steps, you can print the document or the worksheet which you have created in Microsoft Word application. Thank you.